So with the fridge practically cleaned out, now I'm restocking, as you can see. I'm going through the good and the bad. And then I got the dishes and the rest of the stuff to do. Then I take about a break, maybe get on Xbox. Then I'm going to go to the store and get dinner. So that's a rundown of my life, Jeffrey. Luckily, I don't think I had bills to pay today, so I'm lucky there. Also, I got to put the milk away. Or it spoils. And there's another bottle of pop over there. Jeez, how much pop do I need? Alright. So we got 3 bottles of pop. Ironically, are all open, which I don't know why. We only normally open 1 bottle at a time, but that don't matter. Anyway, gotta go over all of this stuff. This is obviously okay. So this will go right here. Oh, and I still have to clean that thing out, but I'll do that later. Just gonna get this stuff put up for now. Hey, no running down the stairs. Amber, don't be getting into the cereal. They just have a bowl. Get in a Raya somehow. Save some for me. I'd work hard. Yes. Yes. Grab it.
I can't be careful.
You can expand your arms.
Dude.
Here, take it. Ugh. Check this. Please be an expiration date on this. No expiration date. Look, I don't know if I can keep that done. I don't trust things without expiration dates. Butter should be good. We just got this not that long ago. Put it right there. Okay, how about the mayonnaise? Then why don't nothing have expiration dates on them anymore? Okay, here we go. 27th January 14. That's okay. Alright. Tomato juice. Ugh, yuck. Okay. Best by 6/6/15. Wait, did I read that right? Let me read that again. Yeah, 6/6/15. Yeah, so I guess that's still good, whatever. For now, we'll go right there because I'm too lazy to really look for a spot. Best by January 7th, 2015. Ketchup's still good. Surprisingly, a lot of this stuff is still good. And of course, the ham's good. We just got this the other day. Alright. This is... does not say. French onion dip made with real sour cream. I'm throwing that out. No expiration date. This ranch can go. That's practically all gone. No, here we go. 6/28/14. That's still good then. Barbecue sauce. Yay, I love barbecue. Alright, that's still good. Best by 12. Best by 12/25/13. So this is still good. I don't think we need it, but whatever. Still good. This can go because it's practically all gone. This can go, it's all gone. Best by 2014/22. What? 20? That can't be right? March 2014/22. Let's see, read this. I don't know if you can see that or not. So this is good till 2022. Oh, okay. Well, wait to make forever dressing, right? Most dressings don't last that long. It's not the ones I know of. Well, I guess you'd be surprised. And I don't know about this. Fuck it, I'll save it anyway. Might still be good. If not, you can always test taste it. This can go. Just get more. And this is basically what I do after everything's cleaned out. But I'm running out of room, so it looks like things are going to start going anyway. And this ketchup, well, that's enough ketchup. I can do that. Okay, so I'm running out of room, obviously. I mean, look at this. So, yeah. I mean, like, start. Oh, this is almost gone. Best by December 2014. Okay. Full thing right here. Damn it. Where's the expiration date? There it is. Best by April 31st, 20. The expiration date's gone. Whatever. Okay, well, whatever. I'll keep this. And this. And this can go. This, I don't even think it's good, but let me check anyway. January 12th. Wow, that's still good. You know, a lot of this is turning out to be really freaking good. Also, should probably smell test these to see if they didn't spoil. I doubt they did, though. Best if used by 11/8/13. Let's all get rid of it. Okay, so that's it. That's pretty much me cleaning out the fridge. You get the point. This is what I do. I'm going to finish the rest of the kitchen, but first I'm going to take a break and get me something to eat.